Welcome to the English Learning Channel, English Trainer. Today we are going to learn some daily vocabulary with pictures. Just follow us, watch and practice.
Time.
Время,
Hour.
час,
O'clock. Past. Half past. 2. It is 12 o'clock. It is 12 o'clock.
Сейчас 12 часов.
Quarter past 12. Quarter past 12.
Четверть первого.
It is half past 1. It is half past 1.
Сейчас полвторого.
Quarter past 6. Quarter past 6.
Четверть седьмого.
It is half past 9. It is half past 9.
Сейчас полдесятого.
It is 25 minutes to 9. It is 25 minutes to 9.
Без 25:10.
It is 10 to 12. It is 10 to 12.
Без 10:12.
20 past 3. 20 past 3.
20 минут четвертого.
It is quarter to 2. It is quarter to 2.
Сейчас без четверти 2.
It is half past 2. It is half past 2.
Сейчас полтретьего.
It is 10 to 12. It is 10 to 12.
Сейчас без 10:12.
5 past 10. 5 past 10.
5 минут 11.
Hour hand. Hour hand.
Часовая стрелка.
Minute hand. Minute hand.
Минутная стрелка.
Second hand. Second hand.
Секундная стрелка.
Watch. Watch.
Часы.
What time is it? What time is it?
Сколько время?
Hand watch. Hand watch.
Наручные часы.
Now. Now.
Сейчас
Half an hour. Half an hour.
полчаса.
A quarter of an hour. A quarter of an hour.
Четверть часа.
Minute. Minute.
Минута.
Second. Second.
Секунд.
A.M. Before noon. P.M. afternoon. To catch. To catch.
Ловить.
To catch a train. To catch a train.
Успеть на поезд.
To arrive. To arrive.
Прибывать.
To arrive late. To arrive late.
Опоздать.
To wait. To wait.
Ждать.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Торопиться.
To start. To start.
Начать.
Meeting at work. Meeting at work.
Собрание на работе.
To meet. To meet.
Встречать.
To call. To call.
Звонить.
Questions.
Answers.
When does the meeting start?
It starts at 9 a.m.
When does the next train arrive?
It arrives after half an hour.
How long is she waiting for him?
She is waiting for him an hour already.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure, it is 10 o'clock. What time is it?
It is 2:30. Hurry up, we are late. Do you know when the bus will arrive?
It will arrive late at night.
What time is it? I need to catch the 10 o'clock train. It is 10 to 12. I can call to my sister. When do you get up?
I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
When does she go to work?
She goes to work at 8 in the morning.
Short conversations using new words from the video. Please watch and listen attentively. Practice speech.
Dad! Dad, it is lunchtime for us. Please have lunch.
Honey, please wait a minute. It is an important call.
Oh, what time is it? It is 10 to 10. I need to hurry. They are waiting for me.
Oh, what time is it now? Where is my watch? It is 5:30. It is early yet. Emily, what time is it?
It's 8:30.
Thanks. I need to catch the 10 o'clock train. Sorry, please. I am 10 minutes here already. I need to go. Where are you? I have been waiting for you for half an hour already. Hurry up, please.
Okay, I am here already. Please wait a minute. Alex, do you know what time is it?
Sure, it is 25 to 12.
Let's go have lunch with me.
We have 25 minutes more before lunchtime. Sorry, please. I need to finish my report. Where is the bus? What time is it? It is 10 to 3. Hope the bus will arrive soon.
Thank you for watching. We are glad to see you again.